स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम जो टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. मींस वी हैव टू calculate the electric field due to an electric dipole. If we are talking about electric field due to electric dipole, we have 2 points. First, at axial point, and number 2 at equatorial point. So first we discuss about axial point and equatorial point. Then we will discuss about electric field. Suppose we have a dipole minus q and plus q. We have already discussed in previous video about dipole, electric dipole. So you may the line passing through both the charges. This line is called axial line. The line passing through both the charges is called axial line, and the point which is placed at this line, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, at this axial line. If point lies on the axial point, then this is called axial point. Second, at equatorial point, the plane normal to this axial line, means this is the plane. Again, this is the plane at which this axial line is normal. This plane is called equatorial plane, and the point at this plane is called equatorial point. Means if we are drawing a line, this is equatorial line. This is not equatorial plane. This is equatorial line which lie on this plane, and the point which is placed at this line or this plane. If point lie on this line, then obviously this will be placed on this plane also. Then this point is called equatorial point. So one by one we will discuss both the cases. First at axial, and then at equatorial point. Suppose again we have a dipole. So this is not a dipole. Minus q and plus q. The name of dipole is AB. The distance of two charges is 2a. We have already discussed that we can, for our convenience, for our ease, we can consider it 2a, not a, because all the distance are measured from the center of dipole. That's why we can consider it 2a. And from the center of this dipole at distance r. At distance r, P is the point at which we have to calculate the electric field. Again, if from the center the distance is r, then obviously this distance will be r minus a, and this distance will be r plus a. Now, come to calculation. Electric field at P due to A. Electric field at P due to A. The formula of electric field E equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Here we are considering that this dipole is placed in air or vacuum. So the value of dielectric constant, dielectric relative permittivity is consider 1. So 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q over this distance is r plus a whole square. Distance of P is r plus a, so this will be r plus a whole square. Again, electric field is a vector quantity. So direction of this electric field will be this along PB, along PB or PA. Next, electric field at P due to B. This is EA and this is EB. 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon distance of PB is R minus A. Distance of PA is R plus A, but distance of PB is R minus A. Again, direction along BP, because B is positive charge, so direction of this is EA, this is EB. So at P point we have two vectors, two electric fields, EA and EB. Which one is larger? Obviously EB is larger. These two vectors are vertically opposite vectors. So the net electric field will be EB minus EA. Two vectors are vertically opposite, so we can calculate the net electric field by direct subtracting from larger to smaller. So we get 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught as a common, Q over 1 over R minus A whole square minus R plus A whole square. This is Q. Again, this is R square minus A square 2 whole square. R square plus A square plus 2AR minus R square minus A square plus 2AR. Here is minus sign, so all the signs of R square, A square and 2A will be cancelled. So this 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2AR, 2 plus 2, this will be 4AR upon R square plus A square to whole square. One thing. Okay. I have to check that video is forming or not. That's why I am. So now 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2A into 2R upon R square minus A square to whole square. What about this? This is dipole moment. Again, we have discussed already this thing. So E equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P into 2R upon R square minus A square. Again, electric field is a vector quantity, and which vector is larger? Obviously EB is larger, so the direction of electric field will be direction of vector B. Now come to this point. What about BP? BP is this direction, and the same direction of vector P, means BP is the direction of dipole moment. So we can write it E equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught vector P upon R square minus A square to this is the final expression of electric field at axial point due to this dipole. Now we can consider some cases. If R is much greater than A, so we can neglect this term A square as compared to R square. So we get E equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught vector P over R 2P over R cube. 1 R will be cancelled out from here, R to the power 4 and here R to the power 1. So this is in normal case, this is special case. So these are two results of electric field at axial point due to electric dipole. So at axial point is completed. Now come to second point. We have to rub this. Again, we have a dipole AB plus Q and minus Q, charges, distances 2A and this is the point P at which we have to calculate the electric field. From the center of dipole, this point is distance R. At the distance R apart from O. So, again, electric field at P due to A, E A. 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, charge is Q. And what about distance? We have to calculate this distance. So this distance is R, this is A. So this distance will be under root R square plus A square. Here we have to square this distance. So this will be R square plus A square. EA equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus A square. Direction along PA. This will be direction of E. Now, electric field at P due to B. This is EA and second is EB. EB 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus A square. The distance of PA and PB will be same. If this is under root R square plus A square, this will be also under root R square plus A square. So, along the direction of EB will be different. Along BP in this direction. This is in this direction. So, if we consider this angle theta, if we consider this angle theta, this will also be theta. On resolving EA and EB, we get EA sin theta and EA cos theta. Again, EB sin theta and EB cos theta. Look at this. These two vectors are equal and opposite vectors. EB cos theta, EA cos theta. Numerically, EA and EB are equal. They are multiplied by same factor cos theta, so these are equal. So since EA cos theta and EB cos theta are equal and opposite vectors, they will cancel out each other, and net electric field will be E equal to EA sin theta plus EB sin theta. Direction of EA sin theta and EB sin theta is along BA. So numerically they are equal. This will be 2 into 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over R square plus A square into sin theta. Sin theta is from this triangle, we can calculate sin theta is A upon under root R square plus A square. So this will be 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2A upon R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. This is net electric field and this quantity is again P. P upon R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2 along BA. BA is opposite direction of vector P. P is in from minus to plus and BA is opposite, so we can write it 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught minus P over R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2, or we can write it E vector equal to minus 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught vector P over R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. Again, if we consider if R is much greater than A, then E will be minus 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube. In previous means in axial line, here 2P upon R cube and here P upon R cube. So this is for equatorial point, previous section. This is for axial point. So we have 2 points, axial point and equatorial point, and this is your complete topic. So read it and learn it.